Hello my friends, thanks for tuning in. It is another episode of making a beautiful Raincode matrix on PowerPoint. Well, watch and learn. First, on a blank PowerPoint presentation, set the layout as blank. Next, right-click here to format background. Under the color selection, use the eyedropper tool. Zoom out a little and select a black background on the same page. Next, under Shapes, insert a rectangle shape. Increase transparency and add some green solid fill. Next, add a text vertically. Then, under the Insert tab, insert some symbols. First, tap to select different symbols, then click Insert each. Once done, close. Use the Enter button to form a vertical inscription of the symbols you've selected in the text box. Next, select all symbols to edit font and style. Next, duplicate the text box by selecting the text box, hold Ctrl button then drag to duplicate. Repeat a couple times to fill the screen. Rotate some symbols. Select all text boxes. Under the Drawing tab, select Arrange, then Align, then Distribute horizontally. Next, slightly adjust the position of some text bars. Use copy and paste method to randomize patterns of the symbols. Next, select the green rectangle. First, hold Shift button to select all the text boxes containing the symbols. Go to Shape Format. Merge shapes. Then subtract. Now, change the fill of the new shape to black. Next, go to Insert Shapes tab. Insert a new rectangle shape and align at the bottom. Edit fill to gradient as follows. Next, go to Animation section. Select Fly in Animation. Send to back. Under the Animation tab, change Effect options. Select from top. Testing. Resize the new animated rectangle to the size of the text boxes. Duplicate to fill the screen and align with the symbols. Next, under timing section set animation duration 2 minutes. And randomize delay timings. Testing. Next, select all bars. Then, hold Ctrl plus Shift plus square bracket to send them to back. Next, open the animation pane. Right-click for options. Timing. Make the following adjustments. Next, right-click the first rectangle containing the symbols. Go to Format Shape. Restore transparency to 0. Next, remove outline, and play the animation. See? Amazing. Try it on your own. Please hit the subscription button to check out my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.